In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Kanban board in Notion. This simple Notion tutorial is perfect for beginners and will guide you through the process of setting up your very own Kanban board to help manage your projects effectively. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a new database. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but in Notion, a database is simply a way to organize your information. So, go ahead and navigate to your Notion workspace. Once you're there, you can create a new page. On this new page, you'll find the option to add a database. Choose the one that's most appropriate for what you plan to manage on your Kanban board. Simply click to add a database, and now you have a blank canvas to work with. Next, we're going to switch your database to the board view. This is a crucial step because the board view is designed specifically for Kanban-style boards. It's going to let you see your tasks in columns, making it easy to track the progress of each task. To switch views, look for the View option in the database's menu bar. Click on it, and you'll see different view options. Select Board View. Now your database is set up to resemble the classic Kanban style you're aiming for. Once you've set up your board view, it's time to add the columns that will represent the different stages of your workflow. Typically, these include columns like To Do, Doing, and Done. However, you can customize these to suit the specific workflow of your project. To add a column, simply click on the Add a Group button, which you'll find at the top of your board view. Name your columns according to the stages you've decided on. These columns serve as cues for where tasks stand in your process and will help you organize your workflow visually. Finally, the real magic of a Kanban board is being able to drag tasks between stages, allowing you to keep track of progress at a glance. To do this, begin by adding tasks under the To Do column. Once a task is in progress, drag it to the Doing column, and once completed, move it to Done. This drag-and-drop functionality is seamless and really helps in managing your workload effectively. It's as simple as clicking and dragging your task cards from one column to the next. This feature of Notion is not only efficient, but also adds an element of interactivity to your planning. By following these steps, you've created a functional and customizable Kanban board within Notion to manage your projects or tasks smoothly, keeping everything organized in a way that is visually intuitive. Remember that your Notion Kanban board is flexible and can be adapted to fit whatever needs you may have, from personal to professional projects. Stay consistent in updating your board and enjoy the streamlined productivity it brings to your workflow.